In a significant development on the global diplomatic front, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has arrived in Zagreb, Croatia, marking the final leg of his ongoing three-nation tour. The Prime Minister landed at the Zagreb International Airport earlier today to a warm and ceremonial welcome by Croatian officials and members of the Indian diaspora. This visit is seen as a pivotal moment in India-Croatia relations, aimed at deepening bilateral cooperation across key sectors. Prime Minister Modi's arrival in Croatia follows his high-profile participation at the 51st G7 summit in Kananaskis, Canada, where he addressed several pressing global issues including climate change, digital infrastructure, inclusive growth, and counter-terrorism. His engagements with world leaders on the sidelines of the summit underscored India's proactive role in shaping global discourse. Before Canada, PM Modi also visited Russia, where he held strategic discussions with President Vladimir Putin on defense, energy partnerships, and regional stability. The Croatian leg of the tour is expected to include bilateral talks with Croatian Prime Minister Andrej Plenković, cultural outreach events, and discussions on trade, technology collaboration, and tourism development. Croatia and India share strong cultural and historical ties, and this visit is expected to open new avenues in economic and people-to-people relations. This marks the first ever visit by an Indian Prime Minister to Croatia, adding significant diplomatic value to the trip. PM Modi's multi-nation tour reflects India's evolving foreign policy, which aims to build lasting relationships with both major powers and smaller strategic partners around the world. It also sends a clear signal that India remains committed to expanding its global footprint through peaceful, cooperative, and mutually beneficial engagement. The Ministry of External Affairs has stated that the Prime Minister's agenda in Croatia will highlight innovation, digital diplomacy, defense industry collaboration, and the role of the Indian diaspora in building bridges between the two nations.